Okay, so here's a customer information center, so it has details about customers right here. And then it's got ship to address. Here's details. We have the first name.
Yeah, like this thing.
It has first name. You have it's on the printer.
Okay.
You have the address. You have everything about the company.
All right.
And here we have the price level that he's on. So we can say edit and change price level. So we got one through that. It's on this one. Information here. So this is where it says requires POs. Some people require POs. Some people don't. So most of it's right here. Print statements. Yes or no. Printing invoices with the statements. All right. And here we can also offer discounts to different product lines that we have, the categories. If I want to give an extra discount, that's set up right there. Okay. So that's the beginning of